Ahoy there. A lot of people ask us, hey Larry, how come why'd you buy a bus instead of a motorhome? You know, like a Class A. I'm gonna use this poor fella here to help explain that. First off, we're at a hotel. Something's not right if you're at a hotel. This is a Newmar Mountain Air. Considered to be pretty high end, you know, and it's nice and all. But as you can see here, see how his slide is flush in the midships? Well, I'm gonna come up here to the front. Ooh, yeah. So, just wanted to show that to you guys, and I feel bad for that guy. I hope he's able to get it squared away. Not a good way to start a vacation. Hope you all are doing well, and remember, be kind.